Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. Here at Daring Beefcake I have this Honda CRV. This is a 2012 model, and last week I've got all the tires changed in this car, and I forgot to reset the tire monitoring system, which monitors the air pressure. So this light came on as I was driving. Now if you want to reset that light, you have to just follow this procedure. So basically that light can come on, that tire pressure light can come on if one of your tires goes flat or it goes or loses air. It's just a warning that one of the tires is losing air basically, or it's got a puncture. So it's worth having a look at that and checking the pressures around your tires and see what pressures you have. Normally I use about 34 psi all around, which is about 2.2 or 2.4 bar, but that's something you can check on your manual, whatever your manual says regarding pressures. So in this video I'm just going to show you how you can reset the actual light if it comes on, as it has in this car. So the little eye comes on with the light up there. Okay, so let's reset this. And basically if you press these arrows here, up or down, well, if you press the one up until you have, there's the warning as well, but if you go up until you get to that menu there, then you can press the center button that says cell reset. If you press that, then it's gonna bring you to this other menu. And now with the arrows again, press the up or down arrow until you get to deflation warning system, and then press the middle button again, and that will take you to deflation warning system, cancel or initialize. So you want to initialize. If you pump your tires up, if you change the air or you lower the air or whatever, or change the tires, this is what you want to do, because otherwise the light, that warning lamp, will come on. So with the arrow, go to initialize and press the center button again, and that will be completed. So now the car, now you can go back, press one of the arrows until you get to that menu and press the center button to come out of there, and that's it. So if you change your tires, if you change the pressures or whatever you do with the tire system, it's a good idea to reinitialize the system, so it knows, so the car will know that you've made a change. Otherwise it will recognize the change as a fault if you don't reinitialize it. So anyway, I hope I explained that somehow. If you have any questions, just go ahead and ask me. I'll try to reply. It doesn't mean I know everything, but if I do know, I will let you know for sure. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.